Alright, now we're looking at the tablet feeder install portion. So our tablet feeders, much like the inlet flow cell line, is going to get tapped on top of the pool pump. The return, or the effluent side, is going to run down and get tapped to the return line, which we don't have it connected yet, but it will get tapped into the return. So we come off the top of the pump, and then we immediately go into this screen. This screen is going to catch any debris. And if the screen wasn't here, then the Viton solenoid valve would get plugged up with debris. Okay, so we've got flow coming this direction through the screen into the solenoid valve. We've got an inlet and an outlet side through the solenoid valve and into the bottom of the tablet feeder. Water flows up through the top, out this tube. On our outlet line, we do have a check valve here, and it is single flow directional. It's got a flow direction on it, and that prevents any water from backing up and coming back through the system. Okay, so those are all of the important pieces for setting up the tablet feeder. Now, the solenoid valve has about an 8-foot wire on it, and it's going to run over and connect to the ORP feed 120 volt connection point that the bleach pump would normally be connected to. Okay, and then anytime the ORP drops to D1 feed level, the solenoid valve will activate, allow flow through the tablet feeder, and dose the pool with highly concentrated trichlor water. And so that's the basic setup on the tablet feeder.